Have you ever looked at a successful YouTube channel and thought, how do they do it? What if I told you there's a method that lets you clone any successful channel and build something similar in minutes? Today, I'll show you a powerful yet hidden YouTube automation method using free AI tools that most creators don't even know exist. But first, let me be crystal clear about something. We're not talking about stealing content or violating copyright. This is about understanding what makes channels successful and applying those insights to create original content. Think of it like studying a master chef's techniques and then creating your own unique recipes. The tool that makes this possible is called Notebook LM, and it's completely free from Google. This AI-powered platform can analyze entire YouTube channels, understand their content patterns, and help you generate original ideas that follow similar successful frameworks. The best part? Everything we're doing today costs absolutely nothing. Let me walk you through the exact process, step by step. First, you'll need to access Notebook LM through your web browser. Simply search for Notebook LM and click on the official Google website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. This will be your command center for analyzing any YouTube channel you choose. Now comes the interesting part. You need to gather all the video links from your target channel. While you could copy each link manually, there's a much smarter approach. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension called Grabit. Install this extension and pin it to your browser toolbar. Once you have Grabit installed, configure it by opening the extension settings. Add a new action and set the activation to right mouse button plus the control key. Choose a highlight color and select the action to copy URLs to the clipboard. This setup will save you hours of manual work. Navigate back to the YouTube channel you want to analyze. Use the Grabit extension by holding Control, clicking the right mouse button, and dragging across all the videos on the channel. You'll see a colored selection box appear, and the extension will automatically copy all video URLs to your clipboard. The extension will confirm how many URLs were captured. Return to Notebook LM and click Add Website. Paste all the copied video links using Ctrl+V and click Insert. Now watch as Notebook LM begins processing and analyzing every single video from that channel. The AI examines transcripts, titles, descriptions, and content patterns to understand what makes this channel tick. If some videos fail to import due to missing transcripts, simply remove them from the analysis. Most channels will have enough videos with transcripts to provide valuable insights. Once the analysis is complete, you'll have access to an incredibly powerful AI assistant that understands everything about your chosen channel. This is where the magic happens. Notebook LM functions like a specialized chatbot that knows everything about the channel you've analyzed. You can ask it detailed questions about content types, scripting styles, editing techniques, topic performance, and audience engagement patterns. The AI has reverse-engineered the entire channel strategy. Try asking questions like, what type of content does this channel upload most frequently? What writing style do they use in their scripts? Which topics perform best based on view counts? What editing techniques are most common? The AI will provide detailed answers based on its comprehensive analysis of all the channel's content. But here's where it gets really exciting. You can ask Notebook LM to suggest channel names for a similar type of content. Within seconds, you'll receive multiple creative suggestions that capture the essence of the original channel while being unique. Pick one that resonates with your vision. Next, ask the AI to generate video ideas for your new channel concept. The system will create original topic suggestions that follow the successful patterns it identified, but with fresh angles and approaches. These aren't copied ideas, they're original concepts inspired by proven formulas. Choose one of the suggested video ideas and verify its originality by searching the original channel to ensure the topic hasn't been covered. This step is crucial for maintaining ethical standards while building on successful frameworks. Now transform your chosen idea into a complete video. Create a new notebook in Notebook LM and input your selected topic. Ask the AI to create a detailed script for a 5-minute explainer video on your chosen subject. The system will generate a professional, engaging script that follows the successful patterns it learned from analyzing the original channel. The script generation process typically takes just a few seconds, and you'll receive a complete video script with proper structure, engaging hooks, valuable content, and strong conclusions. The AI understands pacing, audience retention techniques, and educational value delivery because it learned from analyzing successful content. But we're not stopping at scripts. Many creators struggle with turning scripts into actual videos, especially when it comes to creating visuals and animations. This is where modern AI video creation tools become incredibly valuable for completing your content production pipeline. Some platforms allow you to input your script and automatically generate videos with animations, voiceovers, and visual elements. You can typically choose from various visual styles, select your preferred language, and specify the video type, such as explainer or educational content. The video generation process usually takes several minutes, depending on the length and complexity of your content. Once complete, you can download the finished video directly to your computer and upload it to your YouTube channel. The quality of AI-generated videos has improved dramatically and can produce professional-looking content suitable for YouTube. Remember that this entire process is about learning from successful patterns, not copying existing content. You're analyzing what works, understanding audience preferences, and applying those insights to create original material. This approach is similar to how traditional media companies study successful shows to develop new programs. The key to success with this method lies in understanding that you're not just copying surface-level elements, you're learning deeper patterns about audience psychology, content structure, and value delivery. This knowledge becomes the foundation for creating authentic content that resonates with viewers. One crucial aspect many creators overlook is the importance of adding your own unique perspective and expertise to the frameworks you discover. The analysis shows you what works, but your personal insights and experiences make the content valuable and distinctive. Consider this method as advanced market research combined with content strategy development. You're identifying proven demand, understanding successful formats, and creating original content that serves similar audience needs. This approach significantly increases your chances of success compared to guessing what might work. The beauty of this system is its scalability. Once you understand how to analyze one successful channel, you can apply the same process to any niche or content type. Whether you're interested in educational content, entertainment, tutorials, or any other category, the fundamental analysis process remains the same. Now it's your turn. Pick a channel you admire, use the tools I shared to reverse engineer their success, and start building content that's original, optimized, and ready to grow. If you found this strategy valuable, make sure to subscribe. I've got more AI-powered tips coming. Thanks for watching.